house music a little bit, so you guys can hear what I'm saying.
Yeah, I got to take a picture of all of this.
Okay, now, first of all, the tanks that you're going to be dipping your hands into are 155 degrees. Okay?
Right?
Okay. But we don't want to scare you or anything because we've done this like tens of thousands of times, and in all that time only one person died. So we have one of the best safety records out of anybody that's ever done this. Okay, now, make a regular hand.
All right, listen to me.
Come closer, I don't bite.
If you don't come closer, he might.
Okay, now, do you have any idea why I'm putting this on your hand? That's right, this is so your hand doesn't burst into flames inside the tank.
I don't think I want to do that.
Dave, it's just
So the wax doesn't stick.
Dave,
Okay, now, that tank there is plain cold water.
look, dude.
Okay? What I want you to do is turn and face that tank. Put this hand on the side to hold on. This hand is going to go into the cold water down to about here. Keep going. And go back and forth until I tell you to stop. Okay, now here's the rules. When I tell you, you're going to stop moving your arm. You're going to make this hand under the water. Okay, now don't do anything funny with your wrist. Look at my hand. Don't bend your wrist in weird angles. Go straight with it. So your
Keep
hand
it straight, dude.
is one line. All right? When I take your hand out of the water, your arm out of the water, I'm going to shake the water off. And I'm going to wipe the water off. Don't let your fingers collapse. Keep them strong. Okay, then we're going to go into the wax. Now, when we go into the wax, watch. I'm going to bend your elbow, lift your elbow like this. We're going to go down and up. Then you can't move or adjust your fingers because it'll crack. You got to start all over again. I throw you to the end of the line and I take her first.
Okay.
Questions?
Did you read it? That's Dave's sign.
Questions?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No?
Questions?
You got to speak up, man.
It's cold, huh? You don't remember doing this?
He didn't do it, only I did. I was the only one that did it.
You didn't do one?
I didn't come
Okay.
from there.
Oh, you need to do it, Hannah.
Now, would you help me out? Are you a good sport?
Oh, not for him though.
No, you don't want to help out?
Hannah?
Hannah, go help.
No, I need you on that side. This thing, you know this thing is on wheels?
Oh,
Okay, just hold on to that side, please, for me.
can you
Just
see
kind of-
Dave?
Hold it.
Bend over and hold that. I just need it just for a second. Now, if anybody sees anything that goes wrong, please let me know. Okay? This isn't an exact science. Okay, stop moving your arm. Make that hand under the water. Perfect. Looks good.
Remember,
Ready?
keep it like that. Don't move it.
And here we go. Oh. So sorry. I'm so sorry. That's what we really needed you for.
Oh, this guy.
Now, see what happens when you're mean?
How do you feel?
Thank you.
That was great.
That was so good.
You'll appreciate it when you go outside. It's hot out there.
That
Okay.
was a great thing.
Now, this is the way we normally take the hand out of the water.
Nice and gently.
Shake it off. Okay. Wipe it off. Okay. Bend your elbow. And kind of go with me. Ready? Go. Down and up and don't move. Just going to dump that wax out of your hand. Okay, now we're going to go back into the cold water only halfway down. Let me take over. Just to there.
Does it hurt, Zaynizzle?
Okay. Now, this is dip number 2. I got to dip it to the same spot. Go with me. Okay. At this point in time, you guys, you have to help me count the number of wax dips, okay?
That's 2.
All right, we got 96 more and then you're done. No, you only have 7 dips
Dave,
total.
you gotta tip this guy, dude.
Right? We're going to dip it right down to there. Go with me. That's it. But I don't want to keep your hand down in the wax. That's 3.
How do you take this off?
You're going to see that in a
See
minute.
in a minute.
4.
It dries instantly. Yeah, twice.
Blue.
Look how close blue looks, dude.
This is 5. don't pull any more of those. I'm changing some of those tanks. So some of them aren't ready to be opened. This is 6. I'm going to do one more. Still with me?
I kind of wanted to go now too.
Mom,
This
here,
looks fun.
take this off.
I want to turn.
Dude, I love wax.
This is 7. Now, no cold water on this one, but we are going to move it over here to this water tank.
Sorry, Dad.
Turn your hand over slowly. Excellent. I've got great news for you. We're going to take this off and release that heat. Okay, that's the good news. That's the good news. The bad news is that I only got 2 hours sleep last night, so I need you to hold perfectly still, okay?
He's a little shaky.
Hold still. Is that you or me? You. Oh, okay. And just do me one more favor and just kind of ignore that red stuff there, okay?
So it's an hour away. I want to make a mask like that.
Why would be
A
cool?
latex mask.
Just dip your head
Okay,
in there.
now,
It'll be great.
you're going to do something a little different for me here. See these fingers here? What I want you to do is go like this and push your thumb against those fingers and force the wax off of all of those fingers. You'll see them go white.
That's off.
Push the wax right off your fingers.
That's off.
Tell me when these feel loose.
Oh, yeah, that's loose.
Is it loose?
The whole thing is loose? All of these? Okay, good. Okay, don't do any more. I'm going to put a little bit of cold water on there now. Okay, now, when I go to take this off, don't open your fingers until I tell you you can slowly slide them out. And then you're just going to kind of follow your fingers out, okay? Does this answer all your questions?
Looks easy, huh? Didn't hurt.
I'm trying to do it slowly. Is it slow enough? That's a slow
Why are you gonna? You're not gonna do the same pose, are you?
No. I'm doing differently. I'm doing a rose.
Okay, now don't do anything until I
Kind of
tell
like
you.
that though.
This one for you.
Okay, very, very, very slowly. Here you go. Excellent.
Hey, fill this up.
This is yours. Then you should do this one.
No. Okay, go away.
There's absolutely no charge for the shave.
Shave his whole arm off.
Okay, back in the cold water.
I
Okay,
feel
now,
so good.
now, you see that redness there? That goes away in about 6 to 8 months. Just keep watching it, okay?
6 to 8 months.
If you see a green line going up your arm, tell somebody.
You're turning into the Hulk.
That's a good thing.
You can let go of that, by the way. Okay, now, do me one more favor. Hold your hand up like this, please. You're good.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're just going to dip a little bit more white wax on this. We're going to make a base for it. And then you're going to tell me what black light colors you'd like. Today I have a peach orange, blue, purple, or any combination of those colors.